Getting the most out of your Sugar CRM starts with your team actually using the platform. Combating low user adoption is a two-part process. First, you need to identify how your team is currently using your CRM or not using it, then providing them an incentive to work in the system. Sometimes it just takes a little nudge in the right direction to help employees see the value of a CRM. But how do we know where to guide them? First step, Utilization Monitor. When looking for actionable insight into how your team is using Sugar, the Utilization Monitor for Sugar can equip managers and supervisors with valuable optics into what their CRM users are doing within the platform. The Utilization Monitor for Sugar is a must-have user adoption driver because it provides a real-time visual dashboard of the critical business activities managers need to track their CRM platform usage. Once you've identified how your team is using their Sugar CRM instance, it's time to guide them how to get the most out of the platform to the benefit of the user and the company. Splash turns your CRM into an employee motivation engine using game-like mechanics to tap into your workforce's hidden potential. Even the most mundane of tasks can become an opportunity to increase performance and efficiency as workers strive to climb leaderboard rankings, earn redeemable points, complete team challenges, and unlock badges. It's time for you to get in the ring. Get more information on this 1-2 combo against low user adoption. Visit FayeBSG.com/enhance-CRM-adoption/.